Hi everyone, I am Jia Dugar and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I usually make educational and study related content. Now this is the kind of video you should watch before going into your science exam because I was the most scared for my science exam, and in fact my exam didn't go too well according to me, but I did end up scoring 100, and I can tell you few things that helped me move from 90 to 100 in the last day before my board exam and also through my presentation. Now, I have been telling you to make a formula book of chemical reactions and all formulas in physics. So, if you've made that book, it's great. Please go through that book today and even tomorrow before writing your exam. Moreover, if you don't have a book, then search on Google for all formulas or all chemical reactions, the standard 10 CBSE, and you will find it easily. So, go through all your short notes, etc. Now is the time to do it. Also, I would say for presentation, always try to go in the same order in which questions are given. If not, do a particular section, but do all questions under that section, then move on to the next section after that. Like I always mention, in physics and chemistry, if there's any kind of formula, then always write the formula. Even if your final answer isn't correct, you will get marks for writing the formula itself. So do ensure you write the formula for sure. In chemistry, try to always balance your reactions, especially if you're a high scoring student. It's not necessary to write the state of the reactants, but in case it's given in NCERT and you know it, it's always better to write it. And don't forget to write the conditions on top of the arrow mark, like heat, you draw the triangle, right? Those things are very, very important. In biology, if you get a diagram by chance, do not waste much time on drawing a diagram because they don't really care that much. It just should be similar to what's given, but labeling should be 100% proper. So ensure your labeling is done properly. Now in MCQs, always write the answer along with the option. And guys, if you find a question very, very hard, or if you think that the question is wrong, do not just leave that question alone. Don't leave it empty. Attempt and write something related to the question. At least you will get marks in case the question is wrong, or if you've not scored that well, वो आपको marks देंगे for sure for writing something at least. Don't make this mistake because in my year there was this question which was wrong and I wrote something for that question, so I got marks because I wrote something in that question. So always ensure you don't leave any question unattempted in your science exam. Again, please sleep early tonight by 10 p.m. because science involves a lot of thinking. It's not just like ratamar and writing it. You need to think, so just give your brain kind of rest. And tomorrow morning you will find friends in your exam hall who are like, ye pada, did you study that, did you study this? Don't listen to them, just block your ears or do something like that because it'll just stress you up, and you should be like 100% confident in whatever you have studied so far. So when you go and sit in your exam hall, just close your eyes and think of something or like meditate. Don't focus on the science exam until you get the question paper. Once your question paper comes, full focus into that question paper alone. Think of, okay, what is the answer for this, what is the answer for this. Go through every question in your reading time, decide which question you will start with attempting. If there's any hard question, don't leave it. Just think, okay, this can be an answer, so I'll write it. And always, if you can, then draw a diagram along with the question, even if it's not asked. Like in case you have time to to impress the person who's correcting your paper, you can draw like a related diagram, or you can give like flow charts and extra points for all of that. And the most important is always underline your keywords because they don't have time to read each and every word that you've written in your question paper. So all the best, guys. Do not stress much. I know all of you would have prepared your best. Don't get scared that you'll forget now. Now it's the last time you're probably writing science if you're going to take commerce, or this is nothing in front of your 11th and 12th science if you're taking science. So just go with a calm, peaceful mind and give your best in the exam. Once you come back home, just relax and start preparing for the next exam, which is language and social, which are very close to this exam. So all the best, guys. I'm sure all of you will do amazing.